What's up, y'all? It's Kwani, Review Twins. If you didn't know, now you know. Merry Christmas, by the way. Today, I got something that I've been asking for 2 years, and I finally got it. It's my Christmas gift for my girlfriend. So, it's this Gucci wallet, the King Snake Gucci wallet. Been asking for this for 2 years, like I said, and I finally got it. So, I wanted to unbox it. The reason this other wallet is here, this is my old wallet. Now my old wallet. I'm just gonna compare the two sizes once I get this out of here, the box. It's not gonna be a long video, so don't expect it to be long. It's just gonna be real quick. So let's get started on it. Okay, so it's gonna be real quick, like I said. So I'm gonna do this with one hand because this is a real simple box, it seems like. So let's get started. We got the Gucci box. I'm keeping that. You know I'm keeping that. Comes in this little like sock. It looks like. It says Gucci. Definitely keeping that. Let's get that to focus. There it is. Open that up. There's the wallet. Simple unboxing. Comes with these paper things in there to protect it. It's real simple. I compare the sizes real fast to my old wallet. It's a lot smaller, but almost the same size. My old wallet looks like that because it obviously has all my cards and stuff in it. But yeah, it's a nice simple unboxing. I'm happy I finally got this. I don't know why I wanted a Gucci wallet. It's just, maybe it's just a snake, the King Snake. It's just sick. I love it. But yeah, I also got something else I've been asking for 2 years. It's Drake Drake Take Care disc. Like, obviously it's Apple Music and digital things like that, but I always wanted the actual disc. There's nothing like it. Nothing like having the actual disc. And people who are real music fans know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the Gucci King Snake wallet. Till next time, you're a Review Twin, and you know.